Hi, I'm Sumit and I'm the founder and CEO at Solruf. So Solruf is a solar marketplace and installation platform. In this video, I would like to connect with our channel partners and in turn describe our lead management system, which includes site visit, installation and post-sales process. So when we are working on a lead with you, we first arrange a site visit with the customer for a solar inquiry. For that, you need to visit the customer's property and take his rooftop measurements and also correct his light bill. In case you are unable to do the site visit, then Solruf will arrange a fee for the same at an extra amount depending on the site and also the location. After the site visit, we need you to fill up our site visit form, which will be shared after the end of this video, on which we will be sharing the 3D solar design along with the technical proposal with you in the next 2 days. The 3D solar design shows the shadow effects of the nearby properties on the solar system of the customer, and the technical proposal showcases the materials required in the installation project as well as the tentative costing of the project. Now the customer has two options. He can either avail EMI project financing for his solar system, or he can also avail subsidy under the PM Surya Ghar Yojana scheme. For EMI project financing, we need to collect financial documents of the customer, which include audit statements, bank statements, or maybe the GST returns. And for the subsidy application, we need bill details of the customer, and we have affiliates who can apply for the licensing for the same. Now, when the customer confirms the installation order with you, we send the materials at the customer site, and after that, our team will go and install the project. And after the project gets installed, we will be sending the chief technical inspector from the nearby discom for the final commissioning of the project. Now the solar system has been installed on the customer's property. The next and the most important step in this installation project now comes under operation and maintenance. It's advisable to provide O&M services to the customer on a 3 to 5 year basis. If you are unable to provide any O&M services, then Solruf can help you in providing with such a team who can cater to these needs. So if you have any queries, you can also connect. You can just reach out to us on call, WhatsApp, email, or you can directly fill up an inquiry form on our website, and we'll get back to you shortly. Thanks.